Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I just want to show you all the different ways you can make a quilt with this one quilt block. So come along with me as I show you how I put it together. The half square triangle can be used in so many different ways, and I just want to show a few samples of how you can rearrange them to come up with all these different quilt ideas. I have a bunch of scraps here and I'm going to go ahead and make one and show you exactly how to get 8 half square triangles in one block and how many different patterns you can make with this block. I get everything ironed and then I cut my 10-inch squares out, find 2 squares that I want to go together, and I put the pretty sides together. I am going to draw a line from point to point on both sides. Once I get that done, I am going to sew on both sides of each line 1/4 inch. I like to add pins in there just to keep it together, that way I know it won't shift while I am sewing it. And here I just want to get my second block ready to sew. It's easier to chain piece. That is where you just sew one block after another. And once you get it sewn together, now we're going to cut it. We're going to go right through the middle, right where you drew that line on both angles. Just like this. And then once you get that done, you're going to push it back together just like that. And you want to do right in the middle, going from each side. And then turn a ruler and one more cut. Once you get this cut, you're going to have 8 half square triangles. And you are ready in a very fast way to make a quilt. you want to take them to the iron, and you want to always iron to the dark side. That way the dark fabric won't show through on the lighter fabric. Here I have a 4.5-inch ruler, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to line that middle up with the line, and I'm going to trim it all the way around. And then once you get a stack of them together like that, it is time to be creative. It is time to put them in the pattern of your choice. Here I'm going to show you several different ways that you could do it, but there are so many more. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. At the end of this video, I will put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And I'd like to thank you so much for watching.